Trey Fernandez here. Today is May 26th. Today I'm doing an experiment. I'm going to be taking this sweet potato and planting it in a 5-gallon bucket. Now, I've done some research on this, and I found out that planting a whole potato in a 5-gallon bucket won't give you super big tubers, because the roots are going to have to compete. The forming tubers are going to have to compete with the roots, you know, and this actual large potato. However, I did hear that it will give me fingerlings, like small tubers that can be used maybe as a side dish for Thanksgiving. I'm not putting this in the bed because I've already got a bunch of stuff in the bed. I'm going to grow pumpkins. I've got cucumbers, cantaloupe, and zucchini. And I'm going to put some tomatoes in there. It's going to be too much. And I'm not putting them in the ground because my father is going to have he might have some turf companies out here looking to see if he can pull up all of our real grass and put fake grass there. And that would end up destroying the experiment. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to, what's this? Can I pull something up here? And then what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to take the whole potato and I'm going to put it right here. I don't know if I can, I might have to put it in like, sideways. I'm going to put the potato in like this. I'm going to cover it up. And I'm going to see what happens. Now, one thing I could do is I could take a slip and, wait for this to grow like, little slips over the next, like, week or 2 or 3. And I could cut the slip off and try placing that in the bed. That might work. That could be better. But yeah, let's see here. Let's see if this really works here. Let's see. I'm not gonna put a whole bunch here. I'm just gonna put like maybe this much soil. I'm gonna water it and see what happens. Put just a little bit more soil on top. There we go. All I have to do is water it. Today is May 26th. See what happens.